Hello everyone, FrankTastic here with a little vlog, and holy crap, wow, that is horrible. Oh my god, I should probably do something about that, right? I'm too excited to even worry about it. Jesus, I just got off work, so don't judge my hair too bad. I think it looks okay on camera, but in person it probably looks like crap. So don't look at me in person. Don't come see me in person, because all this and this, not a pretty sight right now. I am super excited, and I just had to make a video about this because I want to do like a series of this because I think it's really cool and it's really interesting. And I'm sorry if I'm shaking the camera so much. I'm still new to this, and I'm tired. You know, work drained me. Anyways, this is the first part of the series, and if you can tell by the title, sorry for moving the camera so much, my PC is here, yay! Okay, I take that back. Not all of my PC is here. Right now, I could only afford a certain amount of items, and it came in today. I woke up, I went outside, and boom! There it was. It was outside. It was sitting outside my door, like packages normally do. No, not all the videos is gonna be this crazy, I promise. I'm just too excited right now to even worry about a high quality video, because I'm just super excited. So yeah, let's get into it and unbox this sucker. So now I need to put the camera somewhere. How about I put it on my butt? Before I get started, I do want to apologize for really bad lighting. I'm doing everything I possibly can right now. Anyways, let's get to unboxing this stuff. Amazon. Oh, that's kind of heavy. Wow. I need a knife. Got a knife. Woo, there we go. Let's cut into this and not cut what's inside, because I've accidentally done that before, and I really don't want to do that again. New to this, new to vlogs, new. Don't judge me too much. Too excited right now to really worry. As long as it records, I'm okay. Now let's cut into this stuff. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh God, yes. I don't even know what this stuff is. Just all I know, it's stuff for PC. That's all I know. Are you as excited as I am? Are you? Are you? Because if you're not, I hope anyone who's watching this actually enjoys this video. And if you know anything about PC stuff, give me tips. Oh God. I don't have a mic set up. I just have the mic going off the camera, so if it sucks, sorry. What is this? Oh, can you even see that? Because the playback I'm looking at, everything looks backwards. So hopefully in the video it's actually correct. It's, I don't know what this is. I don't know anything about PCs. One of my good friends helped me come up with a list for PC stuff. And he gave me the list, and I bought what I could afford at the time. And I think this is the power supply. Obviously, oh, you can see the camera and the reflection because it's so amazing. Oh, that's awesome. My cat, Alice, come back here. It's a 450 watt bronze power supply. It says 80 plus bronze. I don't know if that's like the brand or anything. Let's see here on the back. 80 plus efficiency. EVGA bronze rated power supplies bring 85% efficiency under typical loads. Our bronze rated power supplies provide clean, efficient power. How amazing is that? No other power supply does that. I think. I don't know. I'm just excited I got a power supply. Also include a bunch of Spanish and other language stuff that I cannot read. I can't even speak English right now. Oh my God. Anyways, let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. I don't want to damage the box because I'm a weird person, and like anytime I unbox things, I like to keep the box just because if it's a really cool box, I like to keep it just because. Why not? Like all my figurines and Funko Popco Funks? Pumpco Funks? Funko Pops? Wow, I was saying that so wrong. I have all their boxes in my closet right there, just because I didn't want to throw them away, and like I was so gentle with them when I opened them up. Anyways, moving on. And of course I just stabbed a bunch of holes in the box. Oh my god, please don't rip. Please don't rip the box. It looks so neat. Oh, there we go. Yes! Bubble wrap! Exactly what I wanted! Okay, this looks like a bunch of cables that go to stuff. So what we got here, I should probably move the camera, but I'm not going to just because I don't know anything. I got a cable. How amazing is that? I got a thing. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I got cool looking cables that look very intimidating to me. And then I got this. Does it go in the PC with the bubble wrap still around it? I kind of hope so, because that would kind of be cool. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the bubble wrap off because I do want to play with it. Now, like I said, I've never done an unboxing video before, and I do apologize if this sucks. But like I've said, I'm so excited because I've been trying to build my own gaming PC for so long. I'm getting out of the screen, I'm sorry. This is what it looks like. It looks like a fan. Is that what a PC power supply is supposed to look like? I wish I knew stuff about this. There's an on and off button. That doesn't work. This does look pretty cool though. I don't know much stuff about PC stuff, but I'm hoping whenever I continue this PC build series and me and my friend put it together, hopefully I do learn stuff because I want to learn stuff. And whenever I actually have the PC and I'm using it, I continue to learn. But right now, I don't know anything, but this is a really cool box fan. This is a cool looking box fan that is cool, with cool wires coming from its booty. Moving on. Wires. Thing that, I don't know what that is. So that was the power supply that I got from my gaming PC. Like I said, I don't know anything. This is what my friend picked out for me. Said it was one of the best and affordable ones in my price range. So that's great. Yeah, I can't close this box. I'm opening up this box, by the way. I know my camera's not in the best spot, but I'm letting you know. I'm opening up in this box. It's not a cool box. I'm gonna throw this one away. Is this what people do in unboxing videos? They show everything. I'm cutting it very precisely. Oh my god, I missed and almost hit my finger. I'm cutting it very precisely. Oh my god. There we go. It is now cut, in case you didn't know. Okay, here we go. Oh my god! What is this? This is the hard drive. It came in this delicious looking package. It kind of makes me think it's like a Pop-Tart, and I want to eat it, but I know that's not what you do. See, I'm not that stupid. This is the hard drive I got. Ooh, so nice, so nice. It's a 1 terabyte. I'm gonna try to put all the links to the to these things that I bought in the description in case someone does want to look at it. Obviously, it is a hard drive, so I wasn't expecting too much fanciness from it. But I do like this. I know it's not supposed to look super badass because it's just a hard drive, but terabyte, I know that's a lot, which is good. Yeah. Now, moving on to the big one. Whoa. Moving on to the big box. Let me try to pick this up. The big box. If you know anything about PCs, you can probably assume what this is. Opening up the box with a knife. It is now open. Kinda. Yeah. Here we go. Ah, yeah. Oh. Oh my God, look at all this crap. Look at it. It's a paper snake, and it goes on for days. For days. Oh God. My cats are gonna really love that. My girlfriend's gonna come home and see how much of a mess I made in my game room, and she's gonna be like, what happened? And I'm gonna be like, baby, it's for the PC, okay? It's all good. There's another box inside this box letting you know. See, box in box. I'm unboxing a box in a box. Oh my goodness. This is probably one of the best unboxing PC build series video you will ever watch in your life. Not really. I'm having fun with it though. That's the one thing about making videos. If you're not having fun with it, then don't do it. I'm having fun with this. It may not be the best, but I'm excited because I'm finally building my gaming PC. And there's actually a story behind this. I'm not gonna go too much detail into it in this video, probably in another video. Pretty much the basic of it. I've been trying to build my own gaming PC for years now. I mean, like, years. And I just never exactly been able to, and until now. And that's pretty much the basic of the story. Moving on. The box is now open. See, you didn't even know because you were listening to my amazing story. Here we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. Amazing, right? Yeah, I know. This is the tower. And I think that says terrifying. But I think it actually means terrifying? Terrifying? Surfing? I don't know. It's a Roswell, or is it Roswell? God, I don't know. I don't know these words. Anyways, how am I supposed to unbox this? How am I supposed to get this out of here without like destroying anything? Grab it by its paper and pull. I'm pulling. Oh God. This is what my PC looks like, everybody. Yeah. Just kidding, you idiot. This is styrofoam, obviously. And this is plastic. Oh my God. Oh. It came with a terrifying, I'm just gonna call it terrifying because that's what it pretty much looks like. Came with a terrifying manual, which is awesome. Roswell. Unmasking my tower. Here we go. Crap. Hang on. Here we go. Woo! So this is the PC tower, actually. Not like the whole PC. It is amazing looking, ain't it? It's amazing. I know. Completely empty. Should probably tear this off. Wow, why did my focus get out of focus? No! Wait, no, that's on the inside. This is what it looks like. This is what the tower looks like anyways. I really like it. Obviously, I'm going to put like LEDs in it and everything else because that's what everybody does. But also, it does look cool. On the front side, this is the side. I think this plastic's on the inside. I'm not gonna even mess with that. This is the top side, right side. This is the back side. Yeah, just amazing. Let's just get in there and see what's going on. Oh, it's so empty. Oh, exactly how I like it. Whew, man. God, I'm so hot now. That was me unboxing the first few parts of my gaming PC that I've bought. I'm super excited about it. I don't know if you can tell, but I am. I'm really excited. I don't mean to be weird either, just this is my personality. And I'm just excited, man, because it's like I'm finally getting to start building my PC. I'm finally getting to be able to get into PC stuff and PC gaming and all this other PC stuff that PC can do that I don't know about. And this is the mess that I have created from unboxing my stuff. I don't know why people do unboxing videos. It just makes a mess and it looks horrible. God dang it. Power supply, hard drive, knife, a really cool knife. Oh yeah. And tower. So yeah, that was me unboxing my stuff. And of course there's going to be another unboxing video because I still have like, I think 4 other items I need to buy for the PC for it to be complete. This is my gaming PC build series, and this is my first episode. And I'm just super excited. I'm probably gonna make a short, really cool cinematic video of the PC and everything when it's done. But right now I'm just so excited. I gotta clean up this mess now, which is freaking amazing. I'm so glad I decided to do all of this when I got off work, when I'm tired. And I know I'm a bad vlogger, I'm so sorry. I'm so bad, I know. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Click that like button, don't forget to comment something, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me. And also, I hope you have a FrankTastic day.